Jack from Upper Marlboro, Maryland, has a question about a step down.
He's referring to his living room, Tom. In fact, this is it right here. Now, the red line that he's drawn on here, this is not like, no chemical.
Yeah, I'm not sure about the red.
It's not like there are no chemical weapons beyond this line, but it is what it is he says, in my 3-level townhouse, I want to make this step down 1 level because right now the dining area is stepped down into it. He says, I don't need a formal dining room and plan on living here a long time. So he wants to know, can I rip up the carpet, build up the subfloor, because he's worried about the extra weight, because underneath this is his foyer and the garage.
Well, Jack's missing something in this picture. I love the picture.
What's he missing?
The weight is not an issue.
Okay.
Don't worry about the weight.
Right.
Don't worry about that. You're going to ruin your stairs, and you're going to make them where somebody's going to get hurt.
Oh.
That bottom stair?
Yep.
Every stair riser has to be the same height.
Yeah,
or when you come down, you'll jam your back, or you will
Yep.
trip and fall. That's why I'm going to tell you probably is not going to be able to do that unless you went up to all the way to the top of that stair, and then you'd be into the door and everything else. It would be a mess. So my answer usually is fine. Weight, no problem. Stair, big time problem.
So
that's why we have a show here, Charlie.
It is the unasked question I've always wondered, what the heck are we doing here?
I know,
okay.
but that's it right there.
But that's the problem right there. All right. Well, I wish we could have better news for you there, Jack, but life goes on.
I mean, you could do it. You'd have to rebuild the stairs and configure them so they're all the same after you do the raising of the floor.
I almost wonder if and then you go the other way. If you try to take the other one out, then you got a problem with the door and the detail
somewhere.
On the other end.
I mean, so you got all kinds of issues, but they kind of boxed you in a corner, Jack.
Sorry.
Yep.
But you're never boxed in when you need help with your home improvement questions. You send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them. Check out these other videos, and would you please subscribe to our channel?